Yeah, just doing the beginning of the vlog the other day. I thought I did a beginning because I said I'm doing the end part of the rest of the vlog and then said bye and all that for the 7th, and I didn't do a beginning apparently, so I don't even know what happened to it. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll speak to my birth now. I don't know what happened that day, so yeah, I don't know. But, well, you'll hear me say I lost weight, and yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll speak to you a bit back for now. Yeah, doing part of today's vlog. I lost 1.5 pounds. Last week I put on £0.5. Yeah, I lost today again. I'm now 10.6. I've now asked them to be 9.5. I want to be 9.5, so I've got about £9 left to no. Don't know. Got £1 to, so I've got 9 and another half, so 7. I don't know. Not that far off, but yeah. Far 7. I've got a stone and £1 to go, and I'm at my ideal weight. And yeah, I've got a mate that goes with me now, Sammy. She lost £4, so I'm quite proud of her. My first time I lost £0.5. It's weird looking back at my progress of what I've done, but she did really good for her first time, and I'm so proud of her. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll speak to you tomorrow. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like my vlog, comment down below and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for watching. Bye. Doing today's vlog, I've got something really shocking to tell you. It's the, what date is it today? The 8th of the 12th, 2016. And Jamie's mum spoke to me. She actually spoke to me. She come down the road and saw me and spoke to me. I think she was coming to knock for me, Jamie. We'll see if any of us are in. But yeah, I'm shocked. But yeah, I'm very shocked. I'm late for school with the kids.
Just Freddy, stop swinging my lunch about.
But I'm late. Will you stop that? It's really hurting my head. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Speak to you in a bit. Right, bye for now. I just got the kids off to school. Basically, they're at school now. I spoke to Jamie's mum. Like, literally. Again? For the second time. Sorry, my internet. Yeah, I'll wait till my internet finishes. You stopping? You finishing? Yeah. Spoke to her again. Saw Jamie left. Bradley left his bloody lunch bag at the blooming bus stop. So she was like, I thought that was yours. Oh, it's still blue. She was like, didn't I say? She said to her friend. So we spoke. We apparently could get something for her. I wrote it all down so I remember. She was like, that's fine. So we're on talking terms, which is good. It's good for Jamie's sake. I feel a lot more like this is going to be a really good year. I feel like this Christmas is going to be a really good year. So that's alright. I'm going to go. I'll speak to you in a bit. Right, bye for now. We're just ending the vlog for the 8th of the 8th of the 12th, 2016. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like my vlog. Comment down below. And subscribe if you're new. Thank you for watching. Bye. In the beginning vlog of the 9th of the 12th, I meant, 2016. As you'll see, is my bird with like a receipt in his mouth, in her mouth. It's funny. Right, I'm gonna give you a speech a bit. Bye for now. What the heck has my bird got? Summer. She's got a receipt. She's got a flipping receipt. You're such a nut. Yes, I'm filming you. As you can see, she's got a receipt. Oh, she just dropped it. She's looking at me as if to say, why did you film me? Yeah, I'm going to speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. You proud of yourself? Just ending the vlog for the 9th of the 11th, 12th of 2016. Hope you enjoyed my vlog. Sorry about the loud. Thank you for watching. Oh, you can turn it down with that. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like my vlog. Comment down below and subscribe if you're new. And that's Glitter. And you will see my nephew got made his candle thing. I can't remember what it's called. I'm going to go speak to you a bit. Bye for now. I meant speak to you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.